Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial heading is Judges Pro Tem. 100 words per minute. So be ready, start. The Supreme Court's decision to invoke a dormant provision in the Constitution to clear the way for appointment of retired judges as ad hoc judges to clear the mounting errors in the various high courts is an indictment of the extraordinary delay in filling up judicial vacancies. Whether the fault lies with the collegian system or the center's readiness, there is little doubt that the unacceptable delay in the appointment process in recent times has caused huge vacancies in the high courts. Therefore, it is definitely not unwelcome that the court has chosen to activate Article 224A of the Constitution, which provides for appointment of ad hoc judges in the high courts based on their consent. A bench headed by CJI S.A. Bobde has made it clear that the challenge of mounting errors and existing vacancies requires recourse to Article 224A. The numbers, both in respect of pendency of cases and vacancies in the high courts, are quite concerning. A backlog of over 57 lakh cases and a vacancy level of 40%. Five high courts account for 54% of these cases. Interestingly, official data suggests that there need not be correlation between the number of vacancies and the large backlog. The Madras High Court has 5.8 lakh cases against a relatively low level of vacancy at 7%. As many as 44% of the posts in the Kolkata High Court are vacant, but the cases in arrears stand at 2.7 lakh. As the provision has been utilized only sparingly in the past and for the limited purpose of disposing of particular kinds of cases, the endeavor to appoint ad hoc judges will have to come with some guidelines. The court has made a beginning by directing that the trigger point for such an appointment will be when the vacancies go beyond 20% of the sanctioned strength, or when more than 10% of the backlog of pending cases are over 5 years old. When cases in particular category are pending for over 5 years, or when the rate of disposal is slower than the rate of institution of fresh cases. The bench has ruled that the current memorandum of procedure, as also followed by for appointing ad hoc judges, a process initiated by the Chief Justice of High Court with a suggested tenure of 2 to 3 years. The court has clarified that this is a transitory methodology and does not constrain the regular appointment process. The government, which did not oppose the proposal but wanted the vacancies to be filled up first, would do well to expedite the regular appointment process from its end and give up its propensity to hold back some recommendations selectively. As for the judiciary, it should ensure that only retired judges with experience and expertise are offered the temporary positions, and there is no hint of favoritism. Full stop. स्टूडेंट इस आर्टिकल को आप इसको लिखिए और लिखने के बाद इसको टाइप कीजिए। टाइप आप नोट पैड में कर सकते हैं, फिर उसको कॉपी करके पेस्ट विनवर्ड में कीजिए, फिर आप इसको चेक कीजिए। इसमें आपको न्यू वर्ड्स काफ़ी सारे न्यू वर्ड्स नहीं बोल सकते हैं, इसमें आपके 5 to 10 न्यू वर्ड्स मिलेंगे। इसको टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद जो आपको मीनिंग नहीं आते तो इसको अलग से मीनिंग निकालिए। मीनिंग निकालने के बाद इसको याद कीजिए। ओके, अगर डिक्टेशन आपको अच्छी लगती है डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।